Hi everyone, Paul Akers, president of FastCap. You know, most people know me as a lean maniac. I love the Toyota production system. I love lean manufacturing. It's what we do at FastCap. And we've trained people from all over the world in our facility on how to do lean manufacturing. Our tour videos, over 400,000 views, people just watching what we do at FastCap. But you know, there's another level too, and that is going to the source, going to Japan and learning the Toyota production system. I've been leading tours there for many years now. I've trained hundreds of top-level leaders from around the world, and I'd love to take you to Japan with me as well. I just returned back from Japan and led 3 more study missions there. I'd love to take you along with me. Now, if you want to learn more about this, you can go to my website, paulakers.net, and click on Japan Study Mission or Banishing Sloppiness Tour, and you can sign up there. The cool thing about it is the next 6 tours are all focused in Kyushu, Japan, down in the south at Lexus, where we're going to be working directly with Mr. Amazawa, former Vice President of Lexus and President of Georgetown, Kentucky in the United States. He's going to be with us. Mr. Amazawa, amazing. And Mr. Yabe, who was head of the Shinkansen cleaning crew that performed the 7-minute miracle. It's amazing. They clean the most high-tech trains in the world in just 7 minutes. And he's also one of our speakers. So it's an epic time of total transformation. You know, I've had people come to me on these tours and they say they can't even believe they learned so much in just the 4 or 5 days they were on the ground there. Some people even said it's equivalent to a Harvard MBA that you get in a year and a half in just 4 days. It's that intense. The quality and the caliber of the curriculum, the speakers, and the companies that we're going to visit, you will not believe it. So if you're interested, go to my website, sign up. Once you've paid, you've secured your position. The next thing you need to do is send me a quick 60-second to 2-minute video introducing yourself to me. Tell me a little about yourself, why you want to go to Japan, why I should take you to Japan, because I just don't take anybody there. It takes a special person to go to Japan. You have to be very open-minded, very much wanting to learn. I'm not taking you there to convince you of the Toyota production system and lean manufacturing. You're already convinced. You're going with me to learn at a very high level, to deepen your experience and understanding of what lean manufacturing is all about and the philosophy behind the Japanese culture and how they've created this extraordinary place. So if you're interested, go to my website and sign up. I'd love to have you go. Thanks a lot.